Well, I figure I'll buy me a motorcycle, wrap a pretty little frame around a telephone pole, ride her up a mountain like old Harlow. Figure I'll buy me a motorcycle,